Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of beauty sleep and why it's crucial for our overall well being. First off, did you know that while we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode? During this time, our skin cells regenerate, collagen production increases, and our overall appearance improves. That's why they call it beauty sleep. And here's the kicker: growth hormone levels spike during deep sleep, promoting cell turnover, repairing tissues, and even aiding in hair growth. So, if you want to wake up looking refreshed with glowing skin and luscious locks, make sure to prioritize your sleep. Remember, your beauty sleep is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for your health and overall beauty. So, make sure to get those Z's in and unlock the secrets of beauty sleep for a radiant and refreshed you. Uplifting ending sentence, sweet dreams, lovelies. Sleeping symbol sparkles.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you some mindful hair care routine tips that have helped me maintain healthy and beautiful hair. One of the most important steps in a mindful hair care routine is choosing the right products for your hair type. Opt for natural and organic products that are free from harsh chemicals and sulfates to keep your hair healthy and strong. Next, remember to be gentle with your hair. Avoid using hot tools frequently and opt for air drying or using a low heat setting when blow drying. Be sure to detangle your hair gently to prevent breakage. Incorporating scalp massages into your hair care routine can also promote healthy hair growth and stimulate blood flow to the scalp. Take the time to pamper yourself and show your hair some love. Remember, being mindful in your hair care routine not only benefits your hair, but also your overall well-being. Treat your hair with care, and it will thank you with health and shine. Uplifting ending sentence. Thanks for watching, and don't. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you some delicious smoothie ideas that not only taste amazing, but can also help boost your self-esteem. First up, we have a glowing skin smoothie packed with vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwi. These fruits help promote collagen production, giving you that healthy, radiant glow that boosts your confidence from the inside out. Next, let's talk about a mood-boosting smoothie. Blend together bananas, blueberries, and a scoop of almond butter for a serotonin-boosting treat that will lift your spirits and help you feel more positive about yourself. So there you have it, 2 delicious smoothie ideas to help boost your self-esteem and make you feel like the amazing person you truly are. Remember, taking care of yourself starts from within, and these smoothies are a great way to know. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, we are going to talk about how to transform your mindset for clear skin by avoiding some common acne solution mistakes. The first mistake to avoid is over-exfoliating. While exfoliating is important for removing dead skin cells, overdoing it can strip the skin of its natural oils, leading to more breakouts. Instead, opt for gentle exfoliators and use them no more than 2 to 3 times a week. Another mistake to steer clear of is using harsh products on your skin. Harsh ingredients can irritate the skin, disrupt its natural balance, and ultimately worsen acne. Look for products with gentle, non-comedogenic ingredients that won't clog your pores. Remember, clear skin starts from within, so be patient and kind to your skin. Treat it gently, nourish it with good skincare habits, and most importantly, practice self-love and self-care. Your skin will thank you for it. Uplifting ending sentence. Embrace your natural beauty, and let your confidence shine through. Heavy black heart #. Hey there, beauties! Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 easy skin barrier repair hacks for success. Our skin barrier plays a crucial role in keeping our skin healthy and protected, so let's dive into these simple yet effective tips to keep it in tip-top shape. First up, make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and using hydrating skincare products. Hydration is key to maintaining a strong and healthy skin barrier. Next, avoid over-exfoliating your skin. While exfoliation is important, doing it too frequently can strip your skin of its natural oils and weaken the skin barrier. Stick to gentle exfoliation methods a couple of times a week. Don't forget to moisturize your skin daily, especially after cleansing or exfoliating. A good moisturizer will help lock in hydration and strengthen your skin barrier. Incorporate ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide into your skincare routine. These ingredients are known for their ability to repair and protect the skin barrier. Remember, a healthy skin barrier is the foundation for glowing, healthy skin. Take care of it, and your skin will thank you.